Hello traders, welcome to Impulse Dynamic Trading Academy. Well, I am SB Suryavanshi. Okay, my friends, I am a CEO and founder of Impulse Dynamic Trading Academy. I have more than 10 years experience of this market. Okay, my friend, I started my profession as a banker, but I realized if you want to complete your dreams, it's not possible at all with job. So I left my job and I started trading as a profession. And my friends, in this last 10 years, I learned everything about the market. Okay, and my friends, I'm going to share my experience, my secrets in this seminar. Okay, so my friends, everyone knows in this market 95% traders are losing money. Okay, and my friend, yes, because they are unprofessional, and my friends, only 5% traders are earning money because they have a knowledge, they have a skill set, and my friends, they have a strategies. So my friends, yes, if you are losing money, means you are doing some mistakes. Okay, and my friend, yes, the losses is just a symptoms. Okay, and it can be a cure with the knowledge. Okay, so my friend, yes, in this market everyone is following different indicators, technical tools, candlesticks, which is lagging, my friends, which is useless. Okay, and here I am going to discuss about price action trading, which is unique method, world-class trading method. My friend, here I am going to discuss about derivative analysis. What is my price action trading strategies, my derivative trading strategies. Okay, my friends, here I am going to teach you my unique option rocket trading strategies. Okay, my friend, how you can control on your psychology. My friends, yes, many people are facing issue with psychology, so I will teach you how you can control on your psychology. Okay, risk management method is very important, and how you can manage your risk. And my friends, using intraday trading, how you can earn 10 to 15,000 rupees per day. Yes, my friends, it's possible. Okay, so my friend, yes, this seminar is very unique. This seminar is very powerful because in this seminar I am going to share you my all experience, my secrets, my money making secrets with you, my friends. Okay, so yes, don't lose your time, don't lose your money, don't lose your hope in this stock market. And my friend, yes, book your seat for my seminar. Okay, we have a limited seats. Okay, and book your seats right now.